So like I can't really stretch my quad at the minute
At all.
because it's still.
Hey.
Yeah.
Something's coming.
Yeah, a little bit. Just on this
Inside.
inside.
Hold the leg kick, and I'm going to push down. Push it one. Does that feel painful?
Just a little bit.
What about if I hold it here and I pull out 3, 2, 1, pull?
Yeah, a little bit.
Painful?
It just literally feels like tension.
Right. If you straighten it, you feel it here.
Here, right from that area, all the way down.
Inside of the knee.
Yeah.
Right, just drop it on here. And straighten this leg out. Pain?
Yeah, that's tight. I saw Ian and it was literally I couldn't have treatment. It was
Why?
because it was so sore, like as in to be touched. It's a bit easier. Still a little tender.
All the way up. Around the here, isn't it?
Yeah.
What actually happened? Or just not like kick yourself?
Dead leg. Literally kneed straight into the fire for Liverpool. So like she literally caught me higher up here.
Right.
But then yeah, lower down. Oof.
That's the stuff. Come on. All the way.
But yeah, like I said, we played Liverpool when however long ago, like over about 10 days ago now, and it's still sore.
Have you done any recovery?
A bit of ice and that, but nothing major. I couldn't walk obviously for like 3 or 4 days, like without limping.
Straight all the way out. 3 of those. Then roll yourself facing that way. Turn your head to the ceiling. And line back in, face up. Look. Yeah, do that one. I'll see the ankle turn. Face to the ceiling. Face down for me. And the right leg lifted up. And down. Breathe. And down. And this one here.
Right leg still.
And now let's go left leg. That's the shoulders. That's this right one. Now it's the left shoulder. And how's the neck been?
My traps are really sore.
What's been going on?
I don't even know. I made Harley give me a massage last night. It was literally, yeah, they're a joke.
Just breathe through it. Bring the left arm up. There's the stuff. Up. And back. Keep it going. Is it hurting more on the left or the right?
Yeah, my left's actually hurting more.
Yeah, why? Do you know?
No idea.